Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Insightful Maths. My heartfelt gratitude to all the students who have subscribed to my channel and shown the interest in the videos. So in the previous video, we have discussed what are exponents and we have studied the laws of exponent. We'll continue with the same topic today and we'll be able to finish all the NCERT questions today in this video. So I request please watch the video till end and others who have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. So let's start. Okay. So the topic starting for the video for today is the expanded form. The expanded form, general form, expressing a number in the exponential form. We'll be starting with these two topics. So the first form given here is the expanded form or the general form of any number. This you must have read earlier also. Let us first start with this number. Let's see how to expand this number and then we'll be using exponents for taking it further. So 8120. What is the place value of 8? It is 8000. 1 is 100. 2 is 20. And 0, of course, it is 0 ones. So if I need to extend it further, I can just write plus 0. It is 0 ones. Now 8000. How did you get 8000? 8 is multiplied by 1000 plus how we have created this number. Different digits at the different place values. We have added them together and this is how the number is being made. So 8 is multiplied by 8000 plus second digit is 1. The place value is 100. So that means it is 1 into 100 plus another is 2 into 10 plus another one is 0 into, and this is just 1, so I may write 1. 0 multiplied by 1 is 0 only, so that's your choice. If you wish to write it, you may, otherwise just leave it. Now the task comes, we have to write this form, expanded form using the exponents. Okay, 8 will remain the same. Do we know that 1000 can be written as 10 raised to the power 3? Please make sure you will not be using any other base here. आप इसमें 2, 5 कुछ नहीं use करोगे. All these 10, 100, thousands should be written as 10 to the power something. The base used should be 10 always here. Okay, please have a look. 1000 means how many zero it has? 3 zeros. So that means 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. Base is 10 here. And how many times 10 is multiplied? 3 times. So that is 10 raised to the power 3. So this has become 10 raised to the power 3 plus another digit is 1. How many zeros are here? 2. So 10 raised to the power 2 plus 2 multiplied by, it has just 1 0. So 10 raised to the power 1. So we have finally expanded the given number using the exponential notation. I give you one more question. Please try to do this yourself. Just stop the video for a while and try to do this yourself. The number given, let's say, is 90461. Please try to do this yourself. Stop the video and then later on you may turn it on and recheck if your answer is correct. Easiest way to do this is, after 9, how many digits do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. It should have 4 zeros. We'll do this directly. No need to expand it now. So 9 multiplied by 10. Which power should I write? Just count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll just write 10 raised to the power 4. Plus, next digit is 0. Multiplied by, this also has to be multiplied by 10 to the power something. After 0, we are having 1, 2, 3 digits. So that is 10 raised to the power 3. Plus, another digit is 4. Just take the power 1 down now. It was starting with 4, then 3. So what should be the next number? It should be 10 raised to the power 2 plus 6 into 10 raised to the power 1. And lastly, we have 1 into 10 raised to the power 0. Please observe one thing. First, you have taken the maximum power here. How? Counting after 9, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have started with power 4. Then gradually 1 power is taken down and the number is created. Okay, so this is one category of the question that you will be getting. to expand the number using the exponents. Another way could be this expanded form is given to you and you need to make the number. How to do that? It is again very easy. Let's have a look. 8 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 5 plus 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 4 plus 5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 2 plus 3 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 1. For example, this is being given and I have to make a number using this expanded form. Basic rule or the easiest way is the highest power here is given 10 raised to the power 5. That means 5 zeros. So आप क्या करोगे? Initial digit here is 8. 8 is the initial digit. आपको एक चीज याद रखनी है, maximum power is 5 ना, तो after 8 we need to have 5 digits anyhow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. मैंने यहाँ पे डैश लगा लिया, ठीक है. 5 के बाद कौन सा पावर आना चाहिए? 1 lesser 4. So just write 6 here. अब 4 के बाद क्या आना चाहिए? After 4 another power should have been 10 to the power 3. वो तो नहीं है. That means the number associated with 10 raised to the power 3 should be 0. ठीक है? जिस पावर का नंबर नहीं है, you just need to put a 0 yourself. दोबारा देखो. 8 into 10 to the power 5 means after 8 I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. 10 to the power 5 के बाद the smaller one should be 1 digit less 10 to the power 4. हमने next digit 6 डाला, 6 के बाद 4 digit होना चाहिए. But after 10 to the power 4, I should have 10 to the power 3 जैसे यहाँ पर था. अब 10 to the power 3 is not given. Put a 0 yourself. After 10 to the power 3, what comes? 10 to the power 2. Digit is there 5. 5. After 10 to the power 2, it comes 10 to the power 1. Digit is 3. Put a 3. अब इसके बाद तो कुछ भी given नहीं है. But there is a blank here. So if nothing is being given, you just put a 0 yourself. ठीक है? So we have converted a number into exponential form and exponential form back to a number. Okay? This was the first topic, finding the expanded and the general form. Let's come to the standard form of the exponents. Now this is x multiplied by y, or this is x point y into this asterisk means multiplied by 10 raised to the power n means n could be any number. अब इस फॉर्म में शायद आपको समझ में ना आ रहा हो. If I write any number like 2.36, as many digits here I can write, hardly makes any difference, multiplied by 10 raised to any number. It could be positive, it could be negative, or it can either be 0. इस तरीके से जब ये नंबर लिखा होता है ना, this is the standard form of the exponential number. Standard form कहता है to the left of decimal I should have just one non-zero digit. यहाँ पे जहाँ 2 लिखा है ना, वहाँ 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. 0 के अलावा from 1 to 9 any digit will do. Only one single digit. अगर यहाँ पे 2 digit होगा ना, मुझे decimal left लाना पड़ेगा. That will not be considered the standard form. But to the right of decimal I can have as many digits. Multiplied, there should be a power of 10. It can be 0, positive or negative. अब हम देखते हैं if any number is not given in the standard form, how to convert it to standard form. Number is 1, 2, 3, 4.567 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3. For example, this is my question. Up question says, is this the standard form? Agar yes, to write yes. If no, then convert in the standard form. Beta, we have just seen that to the left of decimal, I should have only one digit, non-zero digit. Ab yahan pe to the left of decimal, we are having 4 digits. That means it is not the standard form, is it? It's not. So I need to shift this decimal 1, 2 and 3. 3 position back here. ठीक है, 3 पोजीशन बैक पीछे जाना है, तो नंबर कैसा दिखेगा? इट विल लुक लाइक 1.234567. It is resembling the number with the standard form. Absolutely right. This part is absolutely fine. अब आप देखोगे how many positions you have gone back. जितना पोजीशन आप लेफ्ट जाते हो, power has to be increased by that number. इतना आपको याद रखना है. आप कितना पोजीशन पीछे गए? 1, 2, 3. So 10 की पावर 3 is already given to you. आप इस 3 में 3 और ऐड कर देंगे. क्यों ऐड किया मैंने 3? 10 to the power 3 was already given. We have gone 3 positions back, so you just need to take a 3 addition of 3 more in the power. तो आपका ये आंसर क्या बन जाएगा? Finally, the answer will be 1.234567 into 10 raised to the power 6. ठीक है? This is how it goes. I'll give you one question. Try to do this yourself. Then we'll go towards the next topic. If the number given is 22.35 into 10 raised to the power 5, quickly convert it to the standard form. Mute the video, write your answer, and then recheck. For making it in the standard form, we'll first see how many digits are there to the left of decimal. There are 2 digits. But rule says I should have only one non-zero digit. तो कितना पोजीशन आपको पीछे जाना है? Just one position back. ये decimal has to be shifted one position back. So number will be 2.235. Number बना? तो after shifting the decimal left, what did I say? जितना पोजीशन आप लेफ्ट ले जाते हो, पावर शुड बी एडेड टू दैट नंबर. पावर एडेड दैट मेनी टाइम्स. सो आप एक बार पीछे लेके गए थे, तो इस 5 में आप 1 और ऐड कर दोगे एंड दैट विल बी योर आंसर. दिस वन इनटू 10 raised to the power 6. I hope this much is understood. Great. Okay. Now another topic is express a number in exponential form if the base is mentioned. If you remember, base means if any exponent number is written like this. This number which is being repeated, which is multiplied by itself, it is the base, and this number is either the exponent or the power or the radical. एक ही बात है. Correct? So now the question says the three parts are there. I'm going to do one, rest 2 you will be doing yourself. You have to express the given number as a power of. किसकी पावर चाहिए? इसमें 3 की पावर चाहिए, इसमें 2 की पावर चाहिए, इसमें 7 की पावर चाहिए. Let's do this one. बिकॉज बाकी 2 बच्चे कर लेते हैं. हमें जनरली पता नहीं होता कि 343 इज डिविजिबल बाय 7. ये आपको याद रखना है. आई हैव सीन स्टूडेंट गेटिंग स्टक मेनी अ टाइम्स. हमें ये नहीं पता होता 343 इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 7. प्लीज हैव अ लुक. नाउ स्टार्ट प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 343. बेस हमें क्या चाहिए? बेस शुड बी 7. नाउ स्टार्ट डिवाइडिंग दिस नंबर बाय 7. क्विकली डिवाइड इट. प्लीज हैव अ लुक. व्हाट आर यू गेटिंग? Yes. 7 into 4 is 28. The difference of 28 and 34, it is 6. तो number क्या बना? 63. 7 into 9 is 63. ठीक है? 49 is again divisible by 7. 7 into 7 is 49. And then 7 into 1 is 7. हो गया ये पूरा prime factorize. So I can write 343 as how many times 7 is repeated? 1, 2, and 3. First of all, please write it in this form. That 343 is the product like this. Now, base is 7. How many times it is repeated? 3 times. So, your answer is 7 raised to the power 3. ठीक है? Rest other 2 parts are exactly the similar. जैसे यहाँ पर given है as a power of 2. So start dividing 128 by 2 and have a look how many times it is repeated. Likewise, 729 as a power of 3. इसको 3 से divide करना शुरू करो and have a look how many times 3 is repeated. Is it understood? Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay. So, before starting the first exercise, in this video, we'll be covering all the 3 exercises of exponent. Questions are almost similar. So, जो question मुझे लगेगा कि आप उसमें फंस सकते हो, वो वाला question I'll do it here. If you still find any difficulty in the question, you may just put it in the comments. I'll do that question for you and I'll discuss in the another video, or maybe I'll share the answer there only. क्वेश्चन करने से पहले प्लीज माइंड वन वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. If you have -1 which is raised to odd number times, इसका क्या मतलब है? Odd numbers are those numbers, of course, which are not even, which are not divisible by 2, like 3, 1, 5, 7 and so on. ये सारे odd number होते हैं. So -1 की पावर अगर कोई odd number होता है, कोई भी odd number, no matter how big or small it is, answer will again be -1. Every time that will be -1. ऐसा क्यों है? Have a look. -1 to the power 3, I am taking this example. It can be written as -1 into -1 into -1. अब 1 को आप कितनी भी बार मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, आंसर तो 1 ही आना है. ठीक है. Now the difference is how to decide if it is positive or negative. अब आप यहाँ पे देखो, we know that rule of multiplying the integers. If two negative numbers are multiplied, minus gets cancelled. So सारे minus पेयर में cancel हो जाएंगे. But odd numbers are unpaired. Unpaired का मतलब एक negative number will always be remaining, which will not be cancelled. So this minus goes to the answer when your answer is -1. So if the question says -1 raised to the power 1091, what is the answer? तो आपको पता है ना, 1091. What kind of number is it? It's an odd number because it is not ending with 02468. ये एक odd number है, ठीक है. And we have just seen that अगर -1 की पावर odd number होता है, answer is always -1. In the similar manner, if -1 is raised to any even number, ठीक है, let's say it is 4, answer will always be +1. ऐसा क्यों? Rest other minuses will be cancelled as they are paired. अगर मैं इसी का ही आपको करके दिखाऊं, -1 raised to the power 4 means -1, -1, -1 and -1. अब आप यहाँ देखो, out of these two, minus minus cancel, out of these two, minus minus cancel. In the similar manner, सारे number paired में होंगे, सारे minus cancel and you will be left with just 1. ठीक है, आपको ये भूलना नहीं है. Another very very important rule is any integer or any exponent जिसकी power 0 होगी, any number जिसका power is 0, the value will always be 1. अगर मैं आपसे कहती हूँ 3 raised to the power 0, इसका मतलब 3 एक बार भी रिपीट नहीं हुआ, आंसर will strictly be 1. ठीक है. If I say 3 + 4 + 5, इस पूरे ब्रैकेट की पावर is 0. बेटा हमें ये कैलकुलेट करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, because we know any number raised to the power 0 is always equal to 1. This you need to remember. Another thing that might not be in their book of grade 7, but you should know this. अगर आपके पास पावर कभी नेगेटिव में होती है, मान लो ये पावर है -1, and question says what is the value of a raised to the power -1. Please understand, अगर इस माइनस पावर को मुझे प्लस बनाना है ना, I will simply take the reciprocal of this number. Reciprocal means 1 upon the same number. ठीक है. एक एग्जाम्पल करते हैं इसका. If I ask you what is the value of 2 raised to the power -2, अब -2 का वैल्यू मुझे तो कैलकुलेट करना नहीं आता. हाउ टू डू दिस? व्हाट डिड आई से? ये पावर पॉजिटिव हो जाती है अगर आप एग्जैक्टली सेम नंबर का रेसिप्रोकल करते हो, 1 अपॉन. सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 1 अपॉन 2 रेज टू द पावर 2. जब आप इसे 1 अपॉन लेके आए, ये माइनस कैंसिल हो गया, अब ये बन गया प्लस. अब 2 स्क्वायर की वैल्यू तो मुझे पता है, 2 स्क्वायर मीन्स 2 into 2 it is 4. So answer is 1/4. So please do not get confused when negative powers are being given. आपको क्या करना है? 1 upon exactly the same number and calculate. ठीक है? चलो. Let's start with question number 1 of exercise 11.1. Please write these answers in your notebook, and rest of the parts which I will not be doing here. These are very simple questions जो आप आराम से खुद कर सकते हो. वो part please complete it. ठीक है. So let's say this one part of question number 1 I'm doing is very easy. Question says find the value of 11 square. 11 square means base is 11. Power 2 means how many times 11 is repeated? 2 times. What is the value of 11 into 11? That is 121. That's your answer. Easy enough. That's what I'm only saying, that I'll be going to do few of the questions only. Rest other parts you can easily do yourself, and that too orally. Okay? Come to question number 2 now. It says express the following in the exponential form. Exponential form मतलब एक बेस होना चाहिए और एक उसका कोई पावर होना चाहिए. अब आप यहाँ पे देखो 1 2 3 4 एक ही नंबर है जो 4 टाइम्स रिपीट हो रहा है. विच नंबर इज रिपीटेड हियर? 6. हमें पता है जो नंबर रिपीट होता है दैट इज द बेस, एंड एक्सपोनेंट मीन्स हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इट इज रिपीटेड. 1 2 3 4 4 बार रिपीट हुआ है ना. So answer for first part will be 6 raised to the power 4. Second part is easy. Third, fourth is easy. Fifth पे आ जाओ. It is also easy, but I would like to do it with you. Fifth part says 2 multiplied by 2. 2 बार repeat हुआ है. Which number is repeated? 2. So write 2 raised to the power 2. But मेरे पास 2 के अलावा a is also there. So put a multiplication sign. देखो ये सारे नंबर मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं. Put a multiplication sign. Another base given is a here. And how many times it is repeated? Again 2 times. So it should be written as 2 raised to the power 2 into a raised to the power 2. Correct? Now quickly write the answer for sixth part yourself. 3 bases are given. Please mind. A B base है, C भी base है, and D is also a base. I'll just write all the bases here separated by the multiplication sign. अब मुझे इनका power डालना है. So what is the power of A? Very nice. 1 2 3. It is repeated 3 times. C is repeated 4 times and D is repeated 1 time. आप यहाँ पर 1 लिखो या नहीं लिखो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Automatically it will be considered as 1. Easy? Let's go to the next slide. Okay. Now question number 3 says you have to express the following numbers in the exponential notation. अब इस word notation से confuse मत हो जाना. Notation means the exponential form. आपको इसे एज एन एक्सपोनेंट लिखना है. 343 इफ यू रिमेंबर ये हमने अभी अभी किया था. यहाँ पे देखो 343 अभी अभी हमने यहाँ पे किया था ना, दिस वन. सो 343 हमने 7 से डिवाइड किया था. आंसर वॉज 7 रेज टू द पावर 3. सो दिस पार्ट वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन. इसका एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म इज 7 रेज टू द पावर 3. ठीक है, लेट अस डू वन पार्ट दिस वन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 फर्स्ट पार्ट. The number given is 512. If you remember, I told you, अगर आपको बोला जाए बेस यही लेना है, then it is fine enough. Otherwise, always pick the prime number to divide it. That is the standard form of writing. ठीक है? So, it is an even number. I can divide it by 2. 2 into 2, it's 4. 1 is left out, so it has become 11. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. हमने क्या किया? 512 divided by 2, you got 256. Again divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 8 is 16. Another one. 2 into 6 is 12. 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 2 is 4. There. 2 16. After that 2 8. After that 2 4. After that 2 2 and finally 2 1. Please don't make an error in division, otherwise the whole question will go wrong. After this you have to write it in this manner. 512 is equal to, you need to show it as the product of these numbers. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. आपको ये 9 बार मल्टीप्लाई करके दिखाना है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. ठीक है? So 512 can be written as 2 raised to the power 9 and that's your answer. ठीक है? In the similar manner, this first and second part we have already done. Third and fourth can be done. Start dividing by 3. start dividing by 5 or by 3. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, but ensure to take a prime number. Correct? Let's move to question number 4. In these particular questions, you just need to compare that which one is the greater number. अब आप यहाँ देखो, find the value of the numbers, then easily you can compute which one is greater. If I take this one, question number 4, first part I am doing, it says which one is greater, 4 to the power 3 or 3 to the power 4. कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है? 4 की पावर 3 क्या होता है? 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, and 3 to the power 4 is 3333 repeated 4 times. Let's calculate the value. 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 4 is 64. That's your answer for the left hand side. आप देखो आसान तरीका क्या है इसे मल्टीप्लाई करने का. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 3 is 9. And if you multiply these two, the answer will be 81. So compared to these two sides of the number 64 and 81, we can just have a look that right hand side 81 is a bigger number. So we can write that 4 raised to the power 3 is lesser than 3 raised to the power 4. This is how you can do the comparison. Find the values of these two exponents and just compare which one is greater. Out of these questions, all are easy enough, calculating the values and then finding out. But you may find the difficulty in this one. Okay? Please have a look. This one I am doing the fourth part. It says 100 square or 2 raised to the power 100. Now 100 square is easy to calculate. It is 100 multiplied by 100. So after 1, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. But 2 raised to the power 100 is very difficult to calculate. You need to multiply 2, 2, 2, 2. Just continue doing this. How many times? 100 times, which is practically not possible. So आप क्या करोगे? You just multiply the numbers to till the time you get a number greater than 10,000. ठीक है? देखो, let's start doing it. 2, I'm just writing it so many times and we'll continue multiply till the time we get something which is bigger than this one and we'll stop there. ठीक है? Let's have a look. It will take slightly longer time, but at least you will be able to understand the question well. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. 32 into 2 is 64. 64 into 2, quickly calculate. It's 128. 128 into 2. Start doing that. 128 into 2. No early calculations, please. Okay, let's do one thing. I'll just do the calculation here and you also start doing it. 128 into 2. 8 into 2 is 16. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5 and this is 256. Till here it is 256, then double of 256. Double of 256, 6 into 2 is 12. 5 into 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Till here we have got 512. Again multiply it by 2. 512 multiplied by 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 1 is 2. 5 into 2 is 10. Let's stop here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So till here 2 raised to the power 10. It is given as 1024. We have ourselves seen that it is coming 1024. So it is just 1/10 of the part that we have calculated. We have to calculate it 10 times. That means 2 raised to the power 10. 2 raised to the power 10. It will be repeated, continued till 10 times. Now imagine this number 1024. 1024. It is repeated 1024. Total how many times? Total 10 times. So which one is greater? Left hand side, which is just 10,000, or right hand side, which is the product of 4-digit number with 4 and 4 continue? You need not to calculate this one. Just compare having a look which is greater. So 2 raised to the power 100 is undoubtedly greater than 100 square. That's your answer. Coming to the next part, question number 5. It says you just need to write these numbers and the power of their prime factor. Again, the similar question that we have done earlier. हमें इसका prime factorization करना है. The numbers that we'll be using to divide those numbers should be prime numbers. ठीक है? ये आप अपने आप कर सकते हो. I am leaving this question. Question number 6, first part, simplify. देखो जहाँ simplify लिखा है ना, that means you need to find the value of the numbers there. Simplify means finding the values of the number. Exponent में नहीं छोड़ना है, value चाहिए. So, first one is 2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3. Correct? 2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3. Please calculate it yourself. Meanwhile, let me just erase. I hope you have taken the screenshot or you have already written. So I'll just erase this. Okay, so by now I think you have done the question. Question number 6, first part. It says 2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3. I need to find the final value. So 2 into 10 raised to the power 3 means 1 के बाद we should have 3 zeros and 2 multiplied by 1000 is 2000. That's your answer. Let's do one more part. This one. Third part. It says 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 5. Now, what is 2 raised to the power 3? This is 8. 8 कैसे आया? 2 into 2 into 2. It has to be multiplied by 5. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So, the question becomes 8 into 5 and your answer is 40. Easy enough? In the similar manner, other parts you can do yourself. Come to question number 7. -4 raised to the power 3. अब पावर आप याद रखना. इफ यू रिमेंबर, मैंने आपको बताया था अगर पावर ऑड नंबर होता है आंसर ऑलवेज कम्स एज अ नेगेटिव वन. अब यहाँ ये ऑड है ना, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए आंसर विल बी नेगेटिव ओनली. लेट्स एक्सपैंड दिस. -4 -4 and -4. Minus and minus cancel, but one minus is still remaining. That will go to your answer. 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 4 is 64. So answer is -64. One more part I'm going to do. Rest others you will do yourself. Let me do the third. Third part is -3 square multiplied by -5 square. -3 square means -3 into -3. -5 square means -5 into -5. Please गड़बड़ मत करना. -3 square 3 into 2 6, 5 into 2 n ऐसे नहीं होता. ठीक है? -3 square means -3 into -3. माइनस माइनस कैंसिल, माइनस माइनस कैंसिल. एक चीज कन्फर्म है, आंसर पॉजिटिव आएगा. 3 into 3 9. 5 into 5 is 25. Quickly calculate 25 into 9 is how much? No errors, please. So please, if you are not, if you cannot do the calculations orally in one go, please multiply it and then find the answer. 9 into 5 is 45. It is 4. 9 into 2 is 18. 18 plus 4 is? Yes, that is 225. That's your answer. I hope you are finding it easy enough. Yeah? Correct. Rest of the parts you can do yourself. Come to question number 8. You need to compare the following numbers now. अब यहाँ ध्यान आप दो. कंपैरिजन में हम क्या करते हैं? दिस नंबर इज स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म, दिस नंबर इज स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. इससे हमें कोई लेना देना नहीं है. पहले आप ये चेक कर लो, ये जो नंबर गिवन है ना, इट शुड बी इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. नहीं है तो आप स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म इसको खुद बनाओ. इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ दिस ओनली वी हैव डन दैट हाउ टू डू दिस इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. आप स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में करोगे. नाउ व्हाट हैज टू बी डन? Just give me. ओके, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में आपको कन्वर्ट करना है. अगर ये पहले से स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में है, वेल एंड गुड, अदरवाइज कन्वर्ट इट टू स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. अब यहाँ तो ये पहले से स्टैंडर्ड में है. आपको क्या चेक करना है? यू जस्ट नीड टू चेक द पावर्स ऑफ 10. 10 की पावर 12, 10 की पावर 8. कौन सा बड़ा है? 10 की पावर 12. दैट्स द बिगर नंबर. अगेन इन दिस क्वेश्चन 4 and 3 पहले से स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में है. 10 की पावर 14, 10 की पावर 70, विच इज ग्रेटर. 17, दिस इज द बिगर नंबर. ठीक है, लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन. Okay, now this is another second exercise wherein these laws of exponents will be used for doing the calculations. ठीक है, अब आपको ये laws of exponents याद होना चाहिए. लास्ट टाइम हमने किया था, तो इसकी अगर आपको प्रैक्टिस नहीं है, पहले आप इसे लर्न करो so that you can do the questions easily. Have a look at the first question. Base is same and it is getting multiplied. First rule. Other same base is getting multiplied, what has to be done with the power? It has to be added. So answer here will be first one. Question number 1, first part. अब question लिखोगे, base is same, so you just need to add the powers. 2 plus 4 plus 8. कितना आया? 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So answer is 3 raised to the power 14. आप यहाँ पे एक चीज याद रखोगे, विच एवर लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट यू आर यूजिंग, यू जस्ट नीड टू मेंशन इट हियर. ये जो ए वाला पार्ट है ना, ये वाला लॉ आप यहाँ पर मेंशन करोगे. अगर आपने लॉ मेंशन नहीं किया, योर मार्क्स विल बी डिडक्टेड. ठीक है, थर्ड, फोर्थ एग्जैक्टली सिमिलर. लेट मी डू द सेकेंड पार्ट फॉर यू. Second part is 6 raised to the power 15 divided by 6 raised to the power 10. Same base getting divided. देखो B part. Same base getting divided. Power should be subtracted. So 6 raised to the power 15 minus 10. Answer is 6 raised to the power 5. क्या किया हमने? Same base was getting, ये base है. Same base was dividing. So powers should be subtracted. So we have written 6 raised to the power 15 minus 10. Answer is 6 raised to the power 5. Others are easy enough. Let's do this. Fifth part is 5 raised to the power 2, pura bracket raised to the power 3, and this is divided by 5 raised to the power 3. First law of exponent that I will be using here is the C part. अगर पावर का पावर होता है, पावर शुड बी मल्टीप्लाइड. सो दिस टू बी रिटन एज 5 raised to the power 2 into 3. That means 5 raised to the power 6. Now what it is getting divided with? देखो सेम बेस है, डिवाइड हो रहा है, तो पावर शुड बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड. So that is 5 raised to the power 6 minus 3. Answer is 5 raised to the power 3. Once again, whichever laws you have used, you have to mention the laws here. ठीक है, बाकी पार्ट आप खुद करोगे, प्रैक्टिस करोगे, तभी आएगा. ठीक है, कुछ ओरल क्वेश्चंस है इसमें, पहले मैं वो आपके साथ डिस्कस कर लेती हूँ. देन वील बी डूइंग सम टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस हियर. ठीक है, जिसमें आपको डिफिकल्टी हो सकता है. हैव अ लुक एट दिस. एनी बेस रेज टू द पावर 0, ये 1 होता है ना. सो दिस इज 1 plus 1 plus 1. What's the answer? It is 3. Similar manner, 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. Answer is 1. ये याद रखना कहाँ पे ऐड हो रहा है, कहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. That's your answer. So quickly give me the answer for this one. 1 plus 1. 3 raised to the power 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1, ये गया ब्रैकेट में, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5 raised to the power 0 क्या होता है? ये भी 1 है. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. Answer is 2 here. Correct? Third वाला पार्ट आप अपने आप करोगे. You just need to check which is greater or smaller. True and false question है. Easily calculating the value you can make up. इसमें जो आपको डिफिकल्टी शायद आ सकती है, that is in question number 1 or 4. So I am doing this question number 1 and 4 for you. बाकी आप करना. If you still find any difficulty, we can discuss that, or you can just put it in the comment option. I'll do that for you. So question number 2, first part we are doing. First part is 2 raised to the power 3, 3 raised to the power 4 into 4 divided by 3 multiplied by 32. बेटा इसमें स्टेप नंबर 1 टू अवॉइड द एरर इज, सबसे पहले आप वो नंबर ढूंढो जो एक कंपोजिट नंबर है विच कैन बी रिटन इन द एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म. ये पहले से ही एक्सपोनेंट में है, ऑलरेडी इन एक्सपोनेंट, ऑलरेडी इन एक्सपोनेंट. 4 इज अ कंपोजिट नंबर. 4 को क्या हम 2 into 2 लिख सकते हैं, दैट्स करेक्ट. एंड 2 into 2 is 2 square. तो आप क्या करोगे, रिप्लेस दिस 4 by 2 square. Another number we have is 32. 32 देखो, 2 multiplied by 16, 2 multiplied by 8. I'm prime factorizing 32. 2 4s are 8 and 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 1 is 3. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I replace this 32 by 2 raised to the power 5? We have just seen here it can be done. आप जब ये क्वेश्चन करोगे, show this prime factorization. That 4 is 2 square and 32 is 2 raised to the power 5. Let us input the values here. 2 raised to the power 3, 3 raised to the power 4, then 2 square divided by 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 5. यहाँ तक ठीक है? It is not 25, it is 2 raised to the power 5. First law of exponent, यहाँ पे देखो A बार. If same base get multiplied, हम पावर को क्या करते हैं, power has to be added. So we have to apply the laws of exponent. जो law आप apply करोगे, it has to be written in the bracket. Please don't forget. So that is 2 raised to the power 3 plus 2. Is it 5? Correct. 3 raised to the power 4 we are already having. Denominator is 3 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 5. अब यहाँ देखो, 2 raised to the power 5 up, 2 raised to the power 5 down. It can be cancelled. ठीक है? So what I'm left with, 3 raised to the power 4 upon 3 raised to the power 1. Have a look at the second rule. अगर same base divide होता है तो आप power को क्या करते हो? It has to be subtracted. So answer is 3 raised to the power 4 minus 1, which is 3 raised to the power 3. Once again I'm repeating, at every time you have to write the law you are using. ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन में ना एक चीज गिवन है, आंसर द फॉलोइंग इन एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म. आंसर हमसे एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में ही मांगा है, सो यू हैव टू लीव इट लाइक दिस. अगर क्वेश्चन बोला होता सिंप्लीफाई तो हम इसकी वैल्यू निकाल. ठीक है. दिस नंबर इज, दिस क्वेश्चन इज एग्जैक्टली द सेम. आपको ये 21 को स्प्लिट करना है 3 into 7, फिर ये क्वेश्चन आराम से हो जाएगा. ठीक है. जस्ट डू दिस वन योरसेल्फ. Let's come to the next. Okay, I'll just give you a clue how to do question number 4. ये आराम से कर सकते हो, आराम से कर सकते हो, just prime factorization. अब ऐसे वाले क्वेश्चन में देखो, ऐसे क्वेश्चन में you might get confused, इसमें क्या करें, पहले मल्टीप्लाई करें फिर प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करें. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. आप दोनों नंबर का इंडिविजुअली प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करो एंड देन फाइंड द आंसर. 108 into 192 given है ना, let me prime factorize 108. 2 into 5 is 10, 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 7 is 40, then 3 into 9 is 27, 3 into 3 is 9. So 108, it can be written as 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 3. हमने यहाँ से भी कैलकुलेट किया ना. Let us see for another number 193. It's an even number. दोबारा से 2 से डिवाइड करो. 2 into 9 is 18. 2 into 6 is 12. 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 8 is 16. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 4 is 8. 2, it is 12. Then 12 divided by 2 is 6. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. Like now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. दूसरा number 192. How it is written as? It is written as 2 raised to the power 6 multiply, हमारे पास एक 3 भी है. ठीक है. अब आपका क्वेश्चन था आपको इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So that means these two things are also getting multiplied. सो फाइनली आप कैसे लिखोगे? 2 raised to the power 2, 3, 2 raised to the power 6 into 3. Beta, now apply the laws of exponent. If same base is getting multiplied, do you need to add the power? And law, of course, has to be written in the bracket, which law you are using. That is 2 raised to the power 2 plus 6 is 8 multiplied by 3 raised to the power. अब जब कुछ नहीं होता ना, it is 1 here. So 1 plus 1, answer is 2. Simplify करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. It is mentioned here. Answer has to be given in exponential form. So that's your final answer. ठीक है? This is how you have to do it. Multiply करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Do the prime factorization and club the digits together using the laws of exponent. ठीक है? Okay, let us start with question number 5 now. We have done a similar question just now. You just need to break composite number as the exponential one and simplify. Let us do. ये easy है, ये आप कर लोगे. ये भी आप कर लोगे. Let me do this one for you. Third, 3 raised to the power 5 into 10 raised to the power 5 into 25 upon 5 raised to the power 7 into 6 raised to the power 5. This is very, very important question. Please pay attention. It is a prime number already written as exponent. Prime number already written as exponent, लेकिन 10 is an exponential. It is written as exponent, but it is a composite number. मैंने आपको क्या बोला था? जब भी composite number given होता है, break it as an exponential form and please make sure the base has to be a prime number. अब इसका क्या मतलब है? पहले ये आप समझ लो इसे कैसे ब्रेक करते हैं, then the question is easy. 10 raised to the power 5. अब 10 को आप क्या लिख सकते हो? Can it be written as 2 into 5? 2 into 5 is 10 and bracket to the power 5 ये exactly same है. I have just broken 10 as 2 into 5 to the power 5. There is a law of exponent. If two different bases are multiplied and the bracket has the same power और मुझे bracket open करना है तो क्या होगा? This power will be distributed to both. अगर आपको ये law समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, please see the previous video wherein I have explained the laws of exponent. You will be able to find it easier. अगर मैं ये bracket open करूँगी, power will go to both the numbers and it will be written as 2 raised to the power 5, 5 raised to the power 5. ठीक है? Now what is this another number 25? 25 is easy. We know that 5 into 5 is 25. So it is written as 5 square. Another number we have is 6 raised to the power 5. Beta 6 is again a composite number which is 2 into 3 is 6. Bracket की power is 5. दोबारा से exactly the same rule. अगर मैं bracket open करूँगी, power will be given to both the numbers. So 2 raised to the power 5, 3 raised to the power 5. अब ये हमने break कर लिया. Now let us put all these values in the given question. We are starting with 3 raised to the power 5. अब 10 की power 5 क्या है? It is 2 to the power 5, 5 to the power 5. What is 25? It is 5 square divided by 5 to the power 7. 6 की power 5 क्या था? 2 की power 5 and 3 की power 5. I hope यहाँ तक ठीक है. You are able to understand. अब हम क्या करते हैं? Look for the numbers which can be cancelled. 3 to the power 5 up, 3 to the power 5 down. Cancel हो गया? No problem. 2 to the power 5 up, 2 to the power 5 down. ये भी cancel. अब आप ध्यान दो, it's very important. पहली बात, question is saying simplify. Evaluate and write an exponential नहीं लिखा. हमें as a number देना है, exponent नहीं देना है. Value is to be given. अब 5 raised to the power 5 into 5 raised to the power 2. ध्यान दो, सेम बेस इज गेटिंग मल्टीप्लाइड, तो पावर का क्या करेंगे? पावर हैज टू बी एड. ठीक है, फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट, सेम बेस गेटिंग मल्टीप्लाइड, सो पावर इज एडेड, डिवाइडेड बाय, वी आर लेफ्ट विथ 5 रेज़्ड टू द पावर 7. सेम नंबर अप एंड डाउन इज कैंसल एंड व्हाट्स योर आंसर? 1. देखो कितना आसान हो गया, मेकिंग यूजिंग द लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट. अगर मैं इसको एक्सपैंड करती, मल्टीप्लाई करती तो टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा लगता, तब भी मेरा आंसर गलत आता. ठीक है, दैट इज द फन ऑफ यूजिंग द लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट। ओके, सो वी आर लेफ्ट विद द लास्ट पार्ट 11.3। ये आप बहुत आराम से कर सकते हो, ये मैं शुरू में ही करा चुकी हूँ। हाउ टू एक्सपैंड द नंबर्स, expanded to the given number, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म का एक क्वेश्चन मैं यहाँ आपके साथ कर लेती हूँ, ये सब आपको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखना है। देखो, दीज नंबर, ये बड़े बड़े नंबर है ना, दीज टू बी रिटन इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। आप समझ लो एक बार कैसे करते हैं, दिस इज वेरी इजी एंड ओरल। लेट मी पिक अ वेरी बिगर नंबर, लेट्स टेक दिस। आई हैव टू राइट इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म कैसे होता है, एक डेसिमल होना चाहिए, टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ डेसिमल देयर शुड बी वन नॉन जीरो डिजिट, राइट में कितने भी डिजिट हो सकता है, इनटू 10 रेज़्ड टू द पावर समथिंग, ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए। अब इस नंबर में आई एम नॉट हैविंग एनी डेसिमल। बेटा अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग, इफ आई राइट 5 और 5.0 दे बोथ आर सेम, तो अगर डेसिमल नहीं है ना, कंसिडर इट हियर। सो टिल नाउ माय डेसिमल इज हियर, आई हैव टू टेक इट पोजीशंस बैक। अब हम ध्यान से काउंट करेंगे हाउ मेनी पोजीशंस बैक वी आर गोइंग। 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, ठीक है, डेसिमल विल कम हियर। हम 9 पोजीशन बैक गए, तो नंबर इज कन्वर्टेड टू 3.186500000, ठीक है, नंबर बन गया हमारा इनटू, देयर हैज टू बी 10 की पावर समथिंग। इफ यू रिमेंबर इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द वीडियो आई टोल्ड, जितना पोजीशन हम लेफ्ट जाते हैं 10 की उतनी पावर हम इंक्रीज करते थे। ओरिजिनल पावर कुछ भी नहीं गिवन है, हम कितना पोजीशन पीछे गए, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, सो इनटू 10 टू द पावर 9, दैट्स योर आंसर। ठीक है, वन मोर आई विल डू, 6.3908.78, राइट। डेसिमल हमें गिवन है, यहाँ पर हमें 8 से नहीं लेना, डेसिमल मुझे यहाँ से शिफ्ट करना है, 1 2 and 3, ओनली 3 पोजिशन बैक। तो नंबर क्या बना, 3.90878, नंबर बन गया स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म इनटू 10 टू द पावर समथिंग। यहाँ गड़बड़ हमें नहीं करनी है, डेसिमल पहले से ही यहाँ पे था, तो मुझे इन 2 डिजिट से कोई मतलब नहीं है। आई हैव जस्ट टेकन इट बैक 3 पोजिशन, सो जस्ट पुट 10 टू द पावर 3 एंड दैट्स योर स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। ठीक है, easy enough. Rest other parts to be done exactly in the same manner. I hope you have understood it well. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है। अगर कुछ डाउट होगा अभी भी, please do comment. Okay, I'll try to do all the queries to be sorted, all the queries to be solved, and all the doubts I'll be taking in the next session. ठीक है, take care, bye bye, see you.